How to transfer files or folder from your iPhone to Android without any problem. This feature has just been released by Apple, is on the latest version of iOS 26.3. So if you have not updated your iPhone to the latest version, go ahead and do that, and thereby transfer your folder, your file from your iPhone to your Android device instantly. So all you have to do is to go to the settings button, tap on it. Now scroll down to the general, tap on it. Then scroll down to the base where you see transfer and reset iPhone, tap on it. So under transfer and reset iPhone, there's an option down there, transfer to Android. Tap on this button. Once tap on this button, all you have to do is to bring your devices close to each other. Place your device next to each other and follow the on-screen process and transfer your file from your iPhone to your Android. So what can you transfer from this place is very simple, guys. You're going to transfer anything on this platform from your iPhone to your Android without any problem. So guys, if you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so that when we drop another important update on this channel, you have access to it as soon as possible.